Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video, we will discuss how to set up Emlimny WiFi Extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. Firstly, plug the extender into a wall outlet close to your Wi-Fi router. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds for the power LED to become solid. Ensure the extender has finished booting before proceeding. Perform the initial setup near the router. After setup, you can move the extender to a better location. Find the WPS button on your wireless router. The WPS button is usually labeled WPS or marked with 2 circular arrows. Press the WPS button on your router. The router's WPS indicator will begin blinking. You usually have 2 minutes to connect the extender. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the Emlimny WiFi Extender. Hold it for about 1 to 2 seconds, then release it. The WPS or signal LED on the extender will start blinking while it attempts to pair with the router. Wait 1 to 3 minutes while the extender communicates with the router. Do not unplug either device during this process. When the connection is successful, the extender's signal or Wi-Fi LED becomes solid. After setup, the repeater creates a new Wi-Fi network. Example: main Wi-Fi network is home Wi-Fi or extended Wi-Fi network is home Wi-Fi_xt. These networks are broadcast by the repeater. After the setup is complete, move the repeater to improve coverage. Unplug the repeater from the socket. Place it between the router and the area where Wi-Fi is weak. Now the setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.